Portal. Now let's look at the Wi-Fi portal feature. Vodafone social Wi-Fi portals are the screens that appear on the end-user device to enable web authentication to Wi-Fi. On most devices, this portal will pop up automatically on connection to a network. Vodafone social Wi-Fi portals are configured to produce an elegant display on all types of screens. And we allow you to easily design your own portal experience. What we are going to do is simply click on Launch Editor. And as you can see here, you can also do designs for different languages. So I'm going to select English and click Launch Editor. This will then bring back my online design. And as you can see, I've already created my own design from my portal. I can now edit this at any time, or I can add new rows and columns and new sections. It's all easily done. And it's all editable. If I now show you the portal, this is exactly how it will also display pop-ups in the portal for Wi-Fi users. And that's it. That's how simple and easy it is to use.